be fast. Okay, let's see. Oh, this one is GoPro. It's very expensive. Rich girl.
No.
This one, yeah, no cheap, I know.
What are you talking about?
This one, I mean, this one is from GoPro.
Yeah. And
So,
from
yeah.
It's just together.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, 16 is to get final everything, right?
Yeah.
All of included all.
What you saw, the one that go to underwater?
Oh, you also have that one.
Yeah.
It's GoPro?
Yeah.
Ah, that's why it's 16.
Yeah.
16.
That was 16. I think like a...
Ah, that's why.
It's missing.
Yes, makes sense.
I think so.
Oh, battery? Battery?
Two battery.
Ah, makes sense.
Oh, they have the not this one. This one separate. This
Reader?
one with the leader. Yeah. Because this one doesn't have. So it comes with this. The one is on the head, and then two battery, and then and then two battery, and this one.
Yes.
And then two of this. With this one and this one.
Yes.
Yeah. And then
Two battery. Ah, makes sense.
and then you say why it's so expensive, right?
Yeah. I thought the price be higher right now.
Because what if you buy itself, how much is it? If you buy that only by itself, what 12,000 12000, and then come with this.
Yeah, 12. Oh, around 12.
12, right? And then come with this all together.
Have no this, and have no battery.
Right.
Have no this. Just only this one.
12, and
Yes.
this one.
This one is a GoPro.
Together. Yeah, it comes together.
Makes sense.
You know, it makes sense.
Nice.
So, see
Okay,
how
now
much
it's
you can-
3 minutes.
Yeah.
And if becomes quickly, you can see on here.
How you where can see
Oh,
on here? No,
I mean,
did not
you
see.
can see on
No,
here.
no.
Oh, every time you get to the computer.
Right. Like I just film like a normal,
Oh,
right?
like normal.
Like a normal.
Oh.
And then when I put in the computer here,
Yeah.
and then I say like a zzz.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay, now 5 minutes finish and
Okay.
to the
and
MacBook
then
and
to the map.
and
Okay.
yeah and check.
Okay. Look how I prepare for motorbike. I know that you don't have. Oh, you want to use this? The one like I have for your phone.
Oh, but you can keep it. I think. Oh, it's good quality.
Oh, you want that one? You want it one?
No, I mean you can keep. Maybe. I don't
You
need.
did it? No? Are you sure?
Yeah. I don't need.
Oh, okay.
How use it? Just.
What's it?
I mean how use it?
Oh.
How is work?
How it
For-
works?
For what? For more convenient.
Yeah, because like that. Okay. When I have this
Yeah.
in the wallet, right? I have to pull out, every single time to use.
Finish.
So